I used to lose sleep over trading XAU-USD, wild moves, fake signals, always one step behind, until I discovered a simple structure that changed everything. It is called ICC Strategy. It was found by Say. It is as simple as the word ICC sounds. Indication, correction, continuation. Once you understand this thing, which I'm going to be showing you in practice right now, gold trading will become stupid simple. These are not luck trades. This is structure, logic, simplicity at the highest. The ICC strategy has helped me to catch sniper entry on gold over and over again. And I'm breaking everything down for you just like it always helps me. So what exactly is ICC? Now let's break it down, because once you see this, you're not going to unsee it. Now, indication shows you the next move, the next direction of the market. It shows you where the big players, the big ballers, where they are heading to, just so you get ready to move with them. And then correction, because price doesn't just move straight up and keep on firing all the way up. No, it pulls back to your waiting zone, where patience will finally pay you. And then continuation. After the correction, price resumes its direction. And as price is resuming its direction, at that moment is where we strike. Low risk, high reward. This is the current trade that I placed on XAU-USD. I zoom to the higher time frame. You can see right here, even on all time frames, what do you see? It is an uptrend, and this is the particular trade that I placed here. You see all the way down, I still left it, even though this is a small account with a very small lot size. This is the trade. Now, if you pay absolute attention, you will never miss a trade or trading correctly with XAU-USD. Now, seen on 4-hour time frame, the price is going or pushing towards the top. We see that this is an uptrend. As price push every green candle, there is usually a correction that happens, which is this red ones here. And at this moment, on lower time frame, they are seen as downtrend. But you can see that in general, it is an uptrend right here. So an uptrend means price is pushing towards the top. Alright, so why did I place this particular trade here? How did I know that the correction is done happening and price will be pushing up? Now let's zoom down to the lower time frame so that you see what this tiny red candle here actually looks like. Now, looking at the 15 minutes time frame, you see where we place that particular trade. Now, get this explanation of how I always place this trade using ICC. So, as that price was pushing up, while it was correcting, those light red candle is what you see down here, looking like a downtrend. And while it keeps on pulling down, you see the formations it was making. And how did I know it was time it's continuing? You see there is a lower low, but at this point, instead of another lower low making, there is a formation right here, you get, instead of pushing downwards like always. Now we get an idea that something is cooking, but not just that, it even made a move above the previous low, alright? Now, if we zoom to the lower time frame again, like the 5 minutes time frame, you see it even clearer. Now, zooming down to the lower time frame, the 5 minutes time frame, we can clearly see here that after that correction that was coming all the way down as downtrend, you can see right here that this is a lower high. You see several lower highs here, but at this bottom right here, before the up push, you see that instead of continuous lower highs, the highs began to rise above the previous high, and we see right here that downtrend that formed in the lower time frame has been broken right here, meaning that continuation is about to happen on higher time frames. So we didn't get in there. Oh, I just mistakenly clicked a buy. This is wrong. Let's continue. I'll look into that later. Now, you see, at this moment, we notice that price keeps on pushing towards the top on lower time frame, meaning that that continuation is already happening based on the uptrend we already are in the 4-hour time frame, right? Now, I'll tell you why we chose 4-hour time frame for the uptrend. Now, so I placed this particular trade and then I left it all the way because that was an uptrend that was just continuing. I knew it would go far. Oh, look at the trade that I placed here. This is wrong with 0.1 lot size. Now, this is what I need you to understand. You see, even on the 4-hour time frame, as you're seeing right here, that each of these green candle, when it push up, it is an indication. But then, if it comes down, the only time you can be thinking of sell is if the low breaks the previous low. Okay, if the candle formation breaks this previous low here, that's when we can be thinking of sales. But anything other than that, we are thinking of when to enter into buys. Alright, that's why we are only looking for opportunity to buy, and you can see right here, there are several opportunities to storm into buys, even if you are scalping or you are a swing trader. You can see there are just several of it, several structures broken, and price keeps moving into the highs. So that is how we were able to actually place this trade. So this is what you should know about the ICC if you want to trade it profitably. You use higher time frames like 1 hour or 4 hour to find out the direction of the market, whether it is going up or whether it is coming down. If it is going up, it's an uptrend. If it's coming down, it's a downtrend. Now, the next thing is to make a sniper entry. And to make a sniper entry, you zoom to the lower time frame like 5 minutes or 15 minutes like you have seen in this video. Now, always confirm the correction with structure, not just pullback. Not the moment you see one candle pull back, you go and place a trade. There has to be a structure. Like you see that several structures were broken on 5 minutes time frame before I had to place that buy. Even on 15 minutes time frame, you notice that the structure was broken, which now enabled me to place my stop loss just below the structure that was broken and set my take profit far high above, seeing that this is an uptrend. Now, the next secret to trade ICC perfectly is that you don't just rush into the market. Like Forex trading, especially ICC, pays the patient more. So you need to be patient. Get in at the right time. No rush. You're not losing anything. Calm. If this video made trading XAU/USD clearer for you, give this video a like, and do not forget to share this to beginners that are struggling with trading gold. You can type gold or Ovampiridon in the comment section. Do not forget to hit subscribe, because this is just the beginning of the source that you'll be getting from this channel. In ICC, gold trading actually makes sense.